everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I've got mail, lots and lots of mail I wanted to share with you all. So let's start with some friend mail. I got 3 items in friend mail, and then I got 2 boxes recently from Influenster. I just got them, so we'll open those together and see what I got from Influenster. So let's get into, I got a couple cards. First one, I've had this for a little while. This came from Rebecca Venegas, and she is a YouTube creator. I will put her channel down below so that you guys can check her out. Give her a chance, hopefully, to earn your subscription. She sent me this envelope, and you guys, just so you know, when you send like hard items through the mail, it's extra postage, okay? And really, it's best to put them in a padded mailer at that point. This was postage due of a little over $4 because the postal service is a pain in the butt. Really, that's really what it is. Can't find my letter opener, so we're gonna go with the scissors from my scissors collection. So let me see what wonderful Miss Rebecca sent me. And I apologize, Rebecca. I've had this for a little while, and I have not been remembering to open it. Okay, here we go. All right. Woo, all right. So she sent me, we'll start with the card. She sent me a beautiful card. It's a bird, and I have been birding with a friend of mine lately. So let's see what she wrote. Oh, hey, girl. How are you? Hope you are okay. Wanted to send you friend mail. Sorry for my handwriting. Oh, girl, your handwriting is so much better than mine. Mine is awful. I can read yours perfectly. Love your videos. Writing from school campus. Hope you write back. I can do that. Can you leave me a testimony at, oh, she has a Sephora Squad testimony. All right. And then watch your videos, subscriber. She does have a YouTube channel. I think I am subscribed to you, Miss Rebecca. It's Rebecca Venegas Divas. So check her out. I will link her down below in the description on this video, you guys. Okay? She sent me a fabulous retinol mask. This is awesome. I think I've used this before. This is a great retinol mask, and I believe you can get these at the Dollar Tree. So this looks like the Global Beauty Care comes from the Dollar Tree. I think I've seen this, and I believe I've used it. Really great mask. So I might use that tomorrow for Mask Monday, ladies. Then she sent me a fragrance, and it's the Libra one that I was telling you guys I really like. So thank you, girl. Yes, I really like that one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. All right, we got one more envelope, and then we've got a padded mailer in friend mail, and then my Influenster boxes. So this one came from Miss Lori Danielle from Florida. It's very pretty, so I will show you. There's the front. Ooh, and the stickers on the back are really pretty too. Love it, love it, love it. Love that bluebird. So cute. Okay, we're going in with the scissors gently. Gonna use them just like I would if I was using my letter opener, which I think is over there under some stuff. Y'all, it's been a weekend. All right. Oh, what a beautiful card. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's bluebirds. They're so pretty. Aren't they pretty? Let me see what she said. Hope to see more of your horses. Yeah, I need to do that, you guys. It's been so gross. It's finally drying down, and they're getting out on grass. Just today, a little bit. I am giving, let's see, a lot more between everything going on. I just pray that I will be able to afford to go to the East sale of, I'm not sure, to see my children and grandchildren. Let's see, I pray grass will go down. I know, you guys. The price of fuel, either gas or diesel right now, is horrifying. And it's just continuing to go crazy. It's so expensive. It's driving up. So not only are we paying to like try anywhere, you know, drive to work, drive to the grocery store, go to see a friend, but farmers, you know, we have a farm. My neighbors are all farmers. They're planting right now, and it takes hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of gallons of fuel for them to be out plowing and planting and running their equipment to get, you know, the tens of millions of acres of farmland throughout America planted for the season. And, you know, the farther south you are, they're already planted. Obviously, we're pretty far north, and, you know, the Dakotas and all that are north too. So we're just getting into planting season. And you guys, it's so expensive. Now, I talked to somebody who said, they talked to a trucker who said diesel was like $7 a gallon in the Dakotas. Here in Wisconsin, it's like $5 and a little bit now. It's getting really expensive. Gas is over $4 a gallon here. It's really bad. So, hon, I'm with you. We're gonna keep our travels. I kind of plot and plan some of my trips. I try to like go to the stores either with friends, if, you know, a friend is driving by to pick me up, or I drive by their house, pick them up, save on fuel and carpool and stuff. So, yep. So anyway, she wrote some personal stuff in here, but it's from Miss Lori Daniel. So, oh my gosh, she sent me another cute mask. Oh, I'm set for Mask Monday, ladies, you guys. This is so cute. It is a sloth mask, and it says it's a self-heating with gentle warmth. That is cool. That is really cool. Look at the cute sloth, you guys. So let's see. Self-heating, no need to microwave or plug it in. You open the package, put it on the mask. It automatically warms up. Sounds like it gets like about 100 degrees. Remains at a comfortable warmth for about 10 to 15 minutes. So, you know, like, okay, some of you might not know if you live in the South, but here in the North, we often get these little packets at like the stores that as soon as you open them and expose them to the air, they warm, and you can put them in like your gloves or in your boots in the wintertime to keep your feet or your hands warm. So this sounds like it's very similar, but a little bit shorter. Those usually last a couple hours. This says it's maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So that's cool. I love the little slothies. Aren't they so cute? So cute. You guys gotta fix a fingernail, so I apologize. Okay, and then Miss Beautifying MZ, Miss Mary, sent me a wonderful little mail, and I love it. So, Mary, if you're watching this, the girl who gave me this, she scanned it because it didn't fit in my P.O. box. The lady at the post office was like, she immediately recognized the Lisa Frank sticker, and she's like, oh my God, it's a Lisa Frank. And I was like, oh, you know Lisa Frank? And she's like, oh, I love Lisa Frank. So there it is, you guys. This is Lisa Frank, and I can show you this because she has a post office box as well. So yes, and she loved the unicorn, but we had a little conversation about Lisa Frank stickers. So she was very much a fan and was really excited to see that and recognized it immediately. So she's like, oh, you don't see any more Lisa Frank anymore. I said, oh, you can find the sticker packs. She said, she's still going, so yeah. But she's like, oh, but it's not like it used to be. I'm like, well, yeah. I mean, she's not everywhere, but I feel like Lisa Frank's making a comeback. So maybe I'm wrong. Sorry, I'm being really loud, y'all. I do have the lavalier microphone right here. But I don't want to ruin the Ipsy bag because they are wonderful padded mailers. So let's see what Miss Beautifying MZ sent me. Got it. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, Mary! I love it. You guys, she sent me a baseball cap. Wait till you see what it says. I'm going to take it out of the packaging, okay? I love it. Oh, Mary, you are so sweet. I love it. It's the perfect color. Y'all know I like to wear black. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Barn hair, don't care. That's so me. That is so me. I love it, Mary. That is so awesome. Thank you, girl. Yep, that's me. Barn hair, don't care. I just got out of the shower myself tonight, and a wet head, no makeup, and here we are making our YouTube video. I love it. All right, before I show you the rest, let's go ahead and get into the card. Oh my gosh, you guys. Speaking of awesome stickers, there's one in the back y'all have to see. It's a sloth. That's awesome. So more Lisa Frank stickers. I love this sloth one. This is so freaking cute. So cute. It says thanks. It's so pretty. Y'all, it's May 7th and my daffodils are finally blooming. Not all of them, but some of them. And I'm starting to have a couple tulips blooming. I cannot believe we are a month behind. You guys, I would have been having that conversation with y'all in early April last year, but it is May 7th. Not all my tulips are blooming yet. Wow. So I love the flowers. Let's see what she said. See you in the next video, and a smile always from Miss Mary. Says, Stephanie, a small gift for you to use now that warmer weather is here and a little sun protection. Thank you. Thank you for all you do and for simply being you. Oh, sweetheart, you are so sweet. I never feel like I'm doing enough, you guys. It is like such a... It's a fight. Like, I have so much responsibility with the property and the farm and the animals and stuff. And then trying to do my full-time job, and then as well as the commute to my full-time job, and then of course trying to not only like record my YouTube and edit them and get them uploaded and respond to you all who leave me comments, but then I want to support my friends by watching and commenting. And you guys, I swear some days it's such a losing battle. So thank you so much, Mary. You are so sweet. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, okay. So not only did she send this awesome hat, which I freaking love, she did send a few goodies. I think I might have all kinds of masks for Mask Monday ladies, which is fantastic. All right, she did. Ooh, y'all know how much I love hand masks. You guys, my hands are so dry again. I got one of those splits in my skin that's so painful. So this is going to be amazing. Isn't that awesome? So it's a mask. It says you leave it on for, this one says 10 to 20. I would probably leave it on as long as possible for hydration. I might actually do this one tonight. So it's Argan and Macadamia Oil, because my hands are so dry today. Like I said, I got a split forming. And then, ooh, this looks nice. Azure Hyaluronic and Collagen Anti-Aging Face Mask. Nice. This will be nice too. Clean Beauty. It's paraben and phthalate free, non-GMO and hypoallergenic. 100% vegan, cruelty-free. I love that. And it says you leave this one on. It's a typical face one for 15 to 20 minutes. So that is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much, you guys. It's so sweet. You guys are so sweet. I love it. All right. So now I have some boring influencer items. And truly, they're not all that exciting. But let's get into them. I'm going to open this one first because I was supposed to open this for Cinco de Mayo. And I did not because... y'all, I'm kind of excited. I love Tex-Mex food. These, I believe, are tortilla shells. And I'm so curious to see them. Oh, yes. All right, here's what they look like. Woohoo! Quesadillas coming my way. All right, so these are from La Banderita, and it is tortillas. Oh my God, I'm so excited. These are taco size, but what I will do is probably make chicken quesadillas with these, or chicken tacos. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm such an idiot, but I am so excited. I love it. I love it. So that's really all was in this box, was literally some tortillas, which are awesome. I can't wait. Those will go in the refrigerator, and I might have that tonight for dinner. Yes. Yummy. Then I got this from Influencer, y'all, and it is a Haircare Vox Box. There it is, from Suave. Y'all know I'm a little nervous about hair stuff, but Suave is usually pretty good. So let's take a look. See what they sent. Ooh. All right, inside you'll find everything you need for healthy looking, effortlessly styled hair. Let's see the card first. Suave, simply styled, easy to understand directions, quick blow dry formula, easy to restyle, promotes healthy hair, look and feel. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, what is it? What is it? All right, this is Wave. That is so cool. This is, ooh, it's a mousse, flexible definition mousse wave, locks in moisture, lightweight. Oh, I'm really excited to try this. So I got my hair cut, you guys, on Friday, and with the heat and taking the dead weight, the dead split ends off, my hair is super curly. All it takes is heat, humidity, all the curl is coming back. So this is going to be great to help lock in moisture. I'm so excited. Crunch-free curls, soft hair. Oh, I'm really excited for this, you guys. So that's all that's in there. So that's cool. I got some great friend mail, and I will put all Mary and Rebecca's channels down below. They are YouTube creators. And yeah, you guys, nothing terribly exciting from Influenster, but I will use both of these very happily. In fact, like I said, I think after I'm done recording this, I'm going to go make dinner. So thank you guys so much for checking out my video. A quick kitty cat update, you guys. I don't think this is going to happen. I don't think it's going to go my way, unfortunately, you guys. So I've been loving on him all day today, and I got to get in touch with my vet, and I think we're near the end. So it's been a rough day. I cried a lot. So he's hanging in there, but you guys, it's not turning around. So I don't know if he's got a cancer or what's going on, but I can't keep him miserable. So yeah, we're looking at that. So thank you guys so much for your support. It's really hard. I love my baby kitties. And like I said, he has a brother. They're litter mates, and I'm really worried about how his brother is going to adjust to being alone. So I'm really worried about him. So yeah. Anyway, sorry to be a downer, you guys. I really am. Anyway, I really am sorry. I apologize. So if you're new here, would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm not always like ending my videos on a down note, but have a great weekend, you guys, and a great start to your week. My next video I will see you all on will be Mask Monday, ladies. So I will see you there. Bye-bye.